Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you would replace the dome light or the light that's on the back seat. You've got one on each side, one for that side and one for this side, and they turn on by when the door is open. So if we need to replace this light, so we're going to start with that we need to just kind of pop this one way or the other to get the clips to pop off that hold it in, and they just snap up in there. Now once you get to here, this is where it's a little bit tougher. There's either two ways, is you can go all the way around and unhook all of the clips that hold the plastic shield on, or what you'll do is just take this connector. There's two connections on the back and two connections on the front, and just work those open, pull it out a little bit, and so we were able to get those connections here undone, and then the connections here, and then that way we can pull this whole housing away, and then we have the light bulb right here that we can remove and replace with a new one. And this light bulb here is a 12961, and so you get a new 12961 and just line it up, insert it in. You can double check that it works before you put it all back together. And now you just snap this back in, and when you snap, there you go, you snap that back in, and then it does have an arrow here to tell you which way it points. And so it's supposed to, the arrow points to the front of the vehicle. And then just press it up into place and lock it up there. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.